Hello, my name is Benjamin, and today I'll be talking about a platformer and how it is run. So here's the goal of the game. It's supposed to be, you have to touch the mushroom and like go through all the obstacles that lead to the mushroom. And yeah, that seems to be it. And for the design and build, I use the assets from Kenny for the tile map. And I also use Time Up Collider 2D, Dot Collider 2D, and all those things as tools for the physical collisions. Here, we're going to talk about the program. So I only took one because it would take too much time, and I'm limited to half an hour, I think. And we first import all the Unity libraries, such as Unity Engine, System.collections. And we go into public class endgame, mode of behavior, and go into the void update. In the void update, if we touch a mushroom, it will make the scene manager load the ending scene. And here's rethinking. If I had more time, I would make more levels and make them very hard. Yeah.
So can you tell us what's going on?
Yeah, so usually the players are allowed to jump and move around. And there's a health bar. So that for example, if I touch the spikes, it will send me to this new thing which says you died, and then it gives me the option to play again. Okay. And also, just tell me if you want to just keep on looking at this. Yeah.
It's okay. Just one more life.
Oh, and the flags give you health.
No. All right. Awesome.
Thanks for listening. Have any questions?
So you die when you touch that white thing, right?
Spikes. The spikes.
I see. So what make you go down? You know, when you jump around.
Jump around.
Yeah. So when you leave a safe place. What make it, did you use your mouse to control it or what?
Mouse control the spike?
Or coming down,
Coming down?
Yeah.
No, it's just usually spacebar and WASD or the arrow keys. The mouse doesn't really affect anything in this game.
You're using an arrow to control where people land.
Yeah, it has air control.
I see. Okay. So if you don't do anything, it's gonna just come down.
Come down?
Yeah, just
just gonna come down.
Just gonna come down. Okay. I see. Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah. It's interesting. It's a classic game, right?
Yeah, it's a classic game. It's a side scroller.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. What if you cannot climb?
Climb?
Well, for example, there, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, there's
You're using arrow, right? You can just use arrow, go up, further up.
Actually, I'm pretty sure it's.
No.
No, actually, you have to use spacebar to go up.
I see. You can go up if you're okay. Oh. Okay.
And this is probably good. And this, I think this part is going to be very hard to pass if you don't have any skills.
Because the block you cannot be too high, right?
Or else because I noticed that if you can just basically jump from there and just go all the way to the finish line without touching anything.
But if you're too low, you cannot go further.
Yeah.
All right, awesome. Thank you, Benjamin. Let's give a round of applause.